Alright, so have you ever wanted to set a GIF or a GIF as your wallpaper on Linux? Let's say you guys rise your desktop to make it look cool. You just want to perfect and everything. Let's say you want to have a GIF as your wallpaper. So there's this utility called xgifwallpaper. Zoom in a bit. xgifwallpaper. It is available in the AUR, so you can use it or whatever AUR helper you use to install it. I already have installed it, so I'll cancel it. Now, what I'm going to do is go to the terminal and I'm going to cd, or I don't have to cd. I'm going to run xgifwallpaper to my home directory, pictures, /wallpapers, I have this GIF called winter.gif. If I run xgifwallpaper on that thing, it should change my wallpaper to this one. It might kill the compositor. Run the compositor again, and there we go. So we have a GIF wallpaper. You can add this to your startup. Fresh, change the wallpaper again. There's Python. Alright. So if you're running a video manager, then you're better off to set this. For me, I have set this as my wallpaper too. I haven't set this as well. I use xwallpaper. I prefer static images, but for those of you who prefer GIF as your wallpaper, I guess that's a great tool. It's xgifwallpaper. I will link to GitHub in the description.